Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you all this flip through of the journal I made. The actual journal is inside this cover which has a magnetic snap closure, and the journal is entirely removable and it just goes and sits back like that, and the journal wouldn't go anywhere because it has its own magnetic thing that holds it. So you could completely remove it, and then it has this elastic closure that is again removable. I've kept the cover quite simplistic. For the inside, I used a book page to make the pocket. This is just a card with some forewriting on it. A piece of collage here, some lace at the edge of the page, some fold out, and all these are dyed pages that I used food color for dyeing. Then I added this little for stamp that I made, another journaling card, oops, okay, so another journaling spot and a little tuck spot here. Then I stamped this image, tore around the image, inked it, and then pasted it on the page. The page itself has a tone edge that shows it better. Another lace, and all these are spots from dyeing, and I think it looks really pretty. Then another collage as a tuck spot, another journaling card, and a little bit of handwriting. This can also be a tuck spot if you want it. Then a little booklet of sorts, pretty image that. Another little collage, just journaling card, another collage, I just punched out some butterflies and used the punched out strips as tuck spots in the center of the signature. Then this is an envelope. And it holds a little booklet. This is a little fold out that holds another handwriting piece that I did for a journaling card. I think handwriting just adds that little bit of a personal touch. Then this is again a fold out, and I used the punched out butterflies from the previous page that I showed you, and I just used it to decorate the edge of the page. Another fold out and another 4 stamps. This is just a flower with a brand, just to add a little bit of interest. Another collage. Here is another pocket with some journaling cards. Another piece of collage. Another one. And a similar pocket at the end. Some journaling spots, a bit of lace, and that's it. Hope you liked the flip through. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.